and welcome once again to Traction Reaction. I'm Guy Hobbs. We're at sunny, cloudy, humid Road America for the vintage race weekend. This weekend featured are the All-American races of Dan Gurney. And here we have one of his cars. And to tell us all about that car, Greg Giacchi. Well, first of all, Greg, welcome to Elkhart Lake, Road America. Having a good time?
Thank you, Guy. Loving it. Absolutely. This is Disney World for car guys, right?
Yes, absolutely. So tell us about this car.
So this is a 1982 Celica that was used in the pro celebrity race that was a pre-game to the actual Grand Prix of Long Beach, California. So Toyota took, from my best estimation, about 15, 20 cars, gave them to Parnelli Jones to prepare. Very, very modest performance tune, but predominantly for safety. They're putting celebrities in these cars. So it got a full cage, onboard like central fire suppression. It's got a fuel cell in the back, and
Get to the point. How fast did it go?
I had trouble breaking triple digits, so it's not fast. Yeah, it's not going to be breaking any necks.
Oh, okay. Do you remember, or do you recall, could you recall any other of the celebrity drivers that were there that weekend?
Your dad,
Yes. Yes.
Mr. Gurney, obviously. Caitlyn Jenner, Bruce Jenner.
Oh yes, Mrs. Jenner, she was there. Yeah, still running fast. Was she in the ladies division or was she in the men's?
She was the men's division at that time. Yes.
Okay, yeah. Okay. And any other stars that were there? Do you remember? Or was
they were all identically prepared.
Yeah.
Every car was the same. They all had the same side livery. The uniqueness were the top stripes and the numbers. That was it. They used the cars from 1982 through 1985. Toyota was kind enough to give me photographs of Dan in the car, 1985. These are pictures circa 1985.
Very good.
Danny McKeever, who ran the Drivers Connection Racing School in Willow Springs, helped the celebrities get up to speed with racing.
Right. Yeah.
So after 1985, Toyota gave him the cars to use at his school.
Oh, very good.
And that's where most of them perished. Most of them met tragic fate, and they were not repaired, or they were not repaired with the livery. A few of them survived. Fast forward, I think maybe 15 years ago, and my buddy was at Willow, and he saw a few of these sitting in a back lot against the woods, and he says, "Hey, what's going on with those cars?" And they said, "We're waiting for a truck to come bring them to the scrapyard." He says, "You're not crushing Dan Gurney's car."
No.
So he was there with a trailer. He had space for it. He threw it on a trailer and brought it back east.
Oh, wow.
And that's how I got my hands on it.
And then you obviously spent time doing it back up again.
Got it refurbished, got it running well, and I said, geez, it works really good. I need to make it look better. So I walked the fine line, but I wanted it to look attractive, but not remove the authenticity, remove that history that the car has.
Right.
Yep. And it lives on today, and I'm happy for that.
We're not running it this weekend, though.
It's already been done 2 exhibition sessions.
Oh.
Yesterday and today. In fact, today,
Did it win?
Juan Manuel Fangio took it out with his daughter, his 17-year-old daughter. They had it out there.
Well, I was at a function 2 nights ago. There was
At the throttle stop,
PJ Jones,
Yeah,
Juan Fangio, Andy Wallace, Butch Leisinger, Rob Dyson. It's like a who's who of 1980s racing.
Yeah.
But great to see Juan Manuel again.
Yeah,
he had great success in Dan's car.
Somebody told me he passed one of the open wheel cars. I don't know. I wasn't. I can't confirm that, but that would be nice, right?
I wouldn't put it past him, because when they ran the All-American races in IMSA with Juan and PJ Racing, I mean, those things put on a heck of it, especially when they came here. They put on a heck of a
He
show.
was doing that for All-American Racers, right? For AAR?
Yeah. Number 99 and 98.
98, 99, yeah. Well, this is, like I say, it's pretty true to its day 2 configuration.
So fuel cell and everything, look at that.
Yep, that was Vel's Parnelli Jones shop in Torrance.
The very first vintage weekend they had,
At Road Atlanta?
Road America.
What did I say? Oh, Road Atlanta. Yeah, my bad.
But it was Joe Marchetti from the hotel.
So your bread and butter 22R, that's in all the Hilux trucks. The Cornelli modifications include the headers. They were custom made, fabricated, that exit under the door. They removed the power steering. They removed the air cleaner. The car was carbureted from new, but they replaced it with a downdraft Weber.
Stiffeners.
And the strut bars that go to the firewall, that's their fabrication. And they deleted the headlights and put these fiberglass covers on.
How have you been treated so far this weekend?
Amazing. So when I found out about this event, I sent the organizers an email just asking, knowing that this might be a little outside the scope of the event. And I got to tell you, they blew my mind. They were so warm and inviting, and the whole weekend has just been tremendous.
And it's only Saturday. We've got a whole nother day to go.
I can't wait, yeah, for sure.
Well, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. My pleasure.
It is a great event.